Okay, what are the advantages? Well, you can gain experience and monetary income in acquire knowledge in the work area. What are the disadvantages? It is an additional burden of responsibility. You have less time to study and it can also cause desertion. What is your own opinion? Believes that not all university students should have the obligation to work part-time. Only those who really need and want to eat because and don't eat brings several advantages is also a great responsibility where there is the possibility that the student neglect their studies or out just to continue having more income. Okay, okay, listen. Okay, please feedback. Thank you. Bye.